guys, I'm Shaili and today we're going to talk about how you can eat your way to glowing clear skin. Stay tuned as we reveal delicious food choices that can transform your skin. But before that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more beauty tips and tricks. Let's kick things off with one of my favorite morning rituals, infusion water. Now, I get it. Water might seem like, well, just water. But when you add the right ingredients, it can have multiple benefits for your skin. Enter cucumber, our star ingredient today. So what I do is, I grab a 1 liter water bottle and fill it up with cold water, and then I slice up some cucumber and let it infuse in for a few hours before consuming. What's great about adding cucumbers in your water is that they are packed with vitamins and antioxidants and are made up of 95% water, making them highly effective in maintaining hydration levels. Plus, proper hydration helps flush out toxins from the body, keeping the skin free from impurities and promoting a healthy, radiant complexion. Next up is blueberries. They're not just delicious, they're also fantastic for your skin. My favorite way to enjoy them is by tossing a handful onto a chia seed bowl, along with granola, sliced bananas, and a drizzle of honey. Comment this below. Need more quick blueberry recipes, and we will share some other recipes that you can incorporate in your daily meals. What I love about blueberries is that they're packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and E. They help to fade blemishes like dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and give your skin complexion a brighter boost. The next ingredient is avocado, which is a fantastic superfood for your skin. Here's how I like to enjoy them. I make a creamy avocado spread and slather it on whole grain bread, then top it off with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little kick. They're rich in healthy fats which are essential for maintaining skin moisture and elasticity. They're also high in antioxidants such as vitamin C and E, which will protect your skin from oxidative stress and environmental damage, reducing signs of aging and keeping your skin clear and radiant. Plus, they're anti-inflammatory. You have to try out this combo. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can eat your way to glowing clear skin. Remember, consistency is key to unlocking that radiant glow. Did you like this video? If you did, go ahead and like and share this video with your friends. And of course, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Bye!